Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to use the Instant Translate on Screen app on your Android phone. This app lets you translate the text directly from your screen in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for the Instant Translate on Screen. Tap Install and open the app once it's downloaded. When you launch the app, for the first time, it will ask permission like a camera access, then display over other apps. Tap Allow so the app can work properly. Inside the app, you'll see options to choose a language that you want to translate from and to. For example, you can translate from Spanish to English. Just select your languages before translating. You can also translate the text using your camera. Tap the camera option and point your phone at any text that you want to translate, and the app will scan and show the translated result. And also, if you already have a photo, tap the image translation and choose a picture from your gallery, and the app will detect the text and translate it instantly. Some versions of the app also supports a voice translation. Just tap the microphone icon and speak and the app will translate what you say. And there's also the on-screen translation or the global translate, which allows the app to translate the text from other apps' website directly on your screen. Just select the area with the text and the translation will appear. And that's it. If you're traveling, studying, or just exploring other languages, this app makes translation quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!